all know now. So right now it's just a stock exhaust with a cut muffler that has a oval exit exhaust. So completely stock, just cut muffler. And we're gonna do a before and after of a little bit different thing. Then we'll get back to the wrap, but it was a good deal on Facebook, so you know we had to pick it up and do it. All right, so here's some revs. The exhaust is really nice and hot. We're gonna fucking burn our hands on it. So let's go do that.
You say I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river takes too much.
Alright guys, here's the old exhaust now that it's out, so you can get a look at how that looked on the vehicle. The new one has nice stainless tips, so you know, won't be missing any of this old, just rusted out shit that's currently on the bottom ground right here. But so, that's a look at the full exhaust removed from the vehicle.
So, a little trick you can do when you're getting exhaust hangers on is put a little Invisilube in the holes. It slides right over.
YouTube, back with Alec and Corey right now. Exhaust has been installed and we are going to test out this sound. Stay tuned. Oh yeah. Got a little boost going for you. That was sick. What do you guys think, YouTube? Let us know in the comments. We're trying to see if our modifications actually do something or not.
Oh, Duke's on the phone. I don't want to be addicted to it.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
Hey, Duke's on the phone, otherwise I would have done a flyby. Duke's on the phone. Yeah. Dude, that was crazy.
I'll think my Chevy still does better.
His Chevy also comes with inbred kids.
That was pretty crazy.
Did it pop like that before?
Not that loud.
Yeah, that was a pretty big pop.
I wonder if it spits flames.
I'm in the fucking camera, like, just this shit is hilarious to try to keep steady.
It feels faster. It's probably just me.
Probably does have a little bit more torque though. Airflow's better, hopefully.
All right, he's off the phone.
Yeah, I'm ready to. You wanna have me out of the car for the flyby though?
Sure.
That'll probably look pretty dope. Alright y'all, here it is.
Pretty quiet from the inside.
Turbo sounded good though when it was spooling at the end there.
yeah, that's the next thing. Well, next big project. The new exhaust. Overall, night and day difference. The loudness, actually, decibel-wise, isn't much louder, which I'm actually kind of thankful for. I don't need to be. You don't need to hear me coming 7 miles away, you know. But the pops are louder. You can hear the turbo a lot clearer, which is great. We did find another weak point though. The clutch is starting to go. In one of the clips, you might cut it in here. I just dumped the clutch and it just didn't hold. It was slipping. So found another weak point, and eventually we'll address that one too.